Hey guys, welcome to the mission 2 of the hackathon. So type 2 if you're super excited. Yes, good to see everybody. Can't call out everybody's names, but select a few people. Awesome, super excited. Yes, good to see you, Tarun. Chaya Khan, good to see you. Good to see you. Harish, Mithil, Ramila, Rishi, Ritesh, see you. Sandeep sir, Satish, Ganesh. Okay, this is going to be super awesome. Uh, I love hackathons. That's one of the reasons why I learn something new. And how many of you would like to, how many of you agree that learning something new keeps you on the edge? Yes, type E in the chat box if you are ready and to learn something super new. Okay. Okay. So this is mission 3 of the hackathon. I can't believe already two missions are done. And this is going to be for AI agents and AI. And even if you have no tech background, etc., type 12 in the chat box if you're going to be there for all the hackathons. Type F if this is the first hackathon you're attending. Yes, type F if this is the first hackathon you're attending. Perfect. Awesome. So I know many of you will click many ads, you'll have many coaches, you'll keep swimming, etc. But my goal for you is at least do one for 90 days. 90 days is 12 weeks. Every week we're meeting on Mondays, 7:15 p.m. Indian time. For 90 days, finish the hackathon, and every hackathon, I'm going to be repeating new concepts because AI is changing super fast, right? And I know even if you have not completed code for whatever reason, it's okay. And that's whatever. How many of you would like me to teach you? And trust me, when I learn something, I teach it really well. Because how many of you want to know the secret? Type S in the chat box. Type S in the chat box if you want to know the secret. I need as many S's as possible. Yes. The reason why I'm telling you that is because I don't know what happens to me when I'm teaching. There is something very supreme that kind of goes through me or I'm possessed. Okay. So I am not myself when I teach. And I something shifts in me that makes tough sort of topics easy and to serve you guys. Are you guys ready for that? So type 12 if you are ready for that. Perfect. Okay. So again, I want to re-emphasize the goal. All things being said the same. You know, AI is taking over the world, and thousands of people have done this hackathon. Many millionaires. Some will be billionaires as well. So you are in great hands. Okay. My goal for you is if you're in a job or in between jobs, try to hit 1 lakh, 2 lakh a month. If you're in the US, try to hit 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 a month. But after that, it's diminishing returns because you don't know when you're going to lose your job. That's the honest truth. Okay. Even if you upskill. And after that, I believe if software is taking over the world, so the cost of software is coming down. Content is being automated by AI, so the cost of content will come down. The only thing that will be left is live. The more live interactions you have, which I believe is building live communities. So even if you're a little bit interested in teaching, if you have no interest in teaching also, or if you're, but you want to just serve or surrender to a higher cause, then I believe teaching is amazing. I think that can scale exponentially. You can easily hit Hall of Fame is 3 lakhs a month, $3,000 if you're in the US, which can easily become 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 50 or 60 lakhs a month, so on and so forth. My peak revenue is, yeah. And the mission for me is to help 1 million people upskill in AI, specifically in rural areas, right? So type 1 in the chat box if you're aligned with this mission. It's going to be an awesome. And last time, hackathon, if you like this, and type also your last monthly income that you took. If you're in a business, type the salary that you actually took. Let's assume this one package was 8,000. So write 8,000 and type also the passive income. Okay, rental income could be one, but what is your passive income? So type in the chat box these two numbers right now. And we did this exercise, it was really good. So I'm going to repeat this exercise again, right? If you're an Indian and if you're less than 1 lakh, then you're in that red zone. if you're in India and you have 1 to 3 lakhs in orange, 3 lakhs plus is green, which is your salary. Okay. As a company, if you're taking, if you're not taking any company salary, then that means it's dangerous. And passive income is if you have some rental income, right? Less than 50,000, you're in red. 50 to 1 lakh, you're in orange. And 1 to 3 lakhs is green. So let's take 30 seconds and type in the chat box whether you guys are right. I put a timer, just take 30 seconds and do this right now. Yes, time's up. Somebody's saying red, somebody's saying green. Yeah. So type in the chat box where you are. Is it red, orange, or green? Somebody's saying red. Okay, good. Okay, no problem. Now in red. Okay. So my request to you is make sure you get into green for both of them. Get into green for both of them. Can I have a commitment you're going to get into green for both of them? Type G in the chat box if you're going to get into green. Right? Yeah. Type right now where you are and what you'll be getting into green. All right. Perfect. Okay. If you're in the US, less than 8,000 is red, 8,000 to 10,000 is orange, 10 to 15 is green, and less than 5,000 is red, and 5K to 10K is orange, and between 10K to 15K is green. Okay. So if you're in the US, tell me your numbers like. Okay, good. Green. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so this is going to go for an hour or so or more. Okay. Now, last hackathon. So I also want to tell you a little bit of the history of the hackathons. So I think the first hackathon we did was 2021, which is July, August, and September. So we did at that time. That was a strict, that's classic hackathon in terms of purely technical. So Python data science, and we didn't get the IITM certification just yet, but the first batch did not have an IITM certificate. That's the pixel certificate. Hackathon 2 was done in May, June, July. Professor Panduragan had done it. That was the blockchain hackathon. Hackathon 3 was done in 2022. So Rajiv sir had done it. So he had done Python data science. At that time, that was we kicked off the IITM certificate. Hackathon 4 was 2023. December, Jan, Feb. So that was digital coaching in AI with passive income. Hackathon 5 version was April, May, June. We had done a lot on sales and 2023. Yeah, sorry. There's one more small hackathon. Yeah, I think this is one that I've done. Okay, so Hackathon 4th was 2024, March, April, May. We had a digital coaching in AI. Hackathon 5 was April, May, June, sales and AI, which is passive income. Hackathon 6 was 2025, September, October, November, small businesses and AI for their companies. And Hackathon 7 was again small businesses and vibe coding AI for their respective small companies. Hackathon 8 was Feb, March, April, AI and digital coaching, passive income plus jobs. And Hackathon 9 was June, July, August, AI and digital coaching, passive income and jobs right now. And I'm going to be focusing more and more on this, on the um, building the communities and the passive income, because I believe that we are very, very close to actually cracking this. Second, let this happen. All right. Okay. And Hackathon 9 was 2026. This is 2026. District coaching, passive income plus this. Okay. So you're in the 10th iteration of right now of the hackathon. So I'm going to update that. Read 10. So type 10 in the chat box. If you're super excited about completing this, right? And you're going to be completing this really, really well. Okay. Hackathon 11 will be more on digital coaching, and Hackathon 12 will be super special. At the end of the year, I'm going to be focusing on how to make 1 crore months, or at least 50 lakh months as fast as possible. So type FF in the chat box if you want to go at full force and track that. Yes, perfect. Okay, so how many of you are ready for some nice um, okay. So my own hackathons are evolving a lot. This is the tentative schedule right now, but I'm changing this as well. So we are going to be doing, so hackathon 1 was mostly focused on lovable mindset, right? Hackathon 2 was on your niche clarity and the 3-day bootcamp design. And inside each of these, I'll be teaching, we also focused a lot on, we also focused a lot on Cloud Code and Codex. How many of you have done the calculator exercise and submitted the homework? Type C in the chat box. So we had over, so I'll show you live the people who have made the submissions. So in terms of this community, we had a lot of submissions. We had about 5, 6 people, 9 people submitted the submissions, right? So every hackathon on the community itself, you can share the submissions. Perfect, right? And now I'm going to be focusing on a lot more of the Cloud Code and the Codex and terminal-based prompting, in addition to your line chain and sorry, in addition to your lovable. Okay. And after this, I'm going to be doing a lot more on the workflows, meta ads using AI, getting registrations up for your niche, and also your curriculum design. So that's also what we're going to be covering this time. So 8, 15, and 22nd are the dates. Perfect. Yes. So even if this is your second class, no problem. So I'll be each hackathon happens every quarter with new topics. So you can attend. How many of you are ready to attend this, even if you're parachuted in? Attend this as if, and every hackathon is independent. So you can submit this from basics and also do it. So think of it like a Netflix series, but every time there'll be something to do and you have to submit it. Right? Perfect. So you can, and all the recordings are available on your learning. So when you go to the learning, I'm going to change this to V10. V10. So then all the recordings are here. You can go here and you'll find mission 1, mission 2, mission 3, and you'll find the video lecture. Just go click on the video lecture here. You'll find the entire link. And towards the end will be the homework. Okay, so this is last week's. So now let's get started. How many of you are ready for a new learning? Type N in the chat box. You can't upload photos on the community yet. Only links you can upload. Okay. How many of you recognize this? Okay, recognize this and tell me your meet time. What is your learning from this? You have 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, as I get a small just water. All right. Thank you, guys. I'm back. Okay, many of you got it right. Okay. Yes, perfect. So this is the Pavana Mantra. I absolutely love it. Yes, many of you have gotten it right. Okay, so Ashatoma Satkamaya. Lead me from the unreal to the real. Prayer to move beyond illusions of the temporary material world into the eternal. Tamasomam Jyotirgamaya. Lead me from darkness to light. Prayer to dispel the darkness, ignorance, and awaken the spiritual east. And finally, Mrityormaya Somaya. Lead me from death to immortality. Prayer to transcend the fear of death, realize eternal deathless nature of the soul. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Oh, peace. The threefold peace for the physical, mental, and spiritual realms. Now, what is the intent for this? The reason why I'm telling you this is when you're building something, can anybody come just take 2 seconds and share? Why did I share this? For mental, physical, and spiritual events. Yes, let's take a quick share. One or two people type M in the chat box why I shared this. Why is it relevant? Why is this relevant right now? When you're building something, and I'm doing hundreds of calls with all of you guys, you have to have a higher purpose, right? Type H in the chat box if you're committed to having a higher purpose. Otherwise, your soul will keep on going somewhere, right? A higher purpose and not just being the kind of, I won't say rat race because even I've been there, just this race and on this hamster wheel of life, right? And first, you must always look to serve. Everybody's asking me why am I not getting a higher salary? Why am I the one who has lost the child? I'm so stressed. So I believe that I is a very, very dangerous word. Type I in the chat box if you agree with me. Why me? Why am I not a millionaire? Why am I not happy on it? Yes, you must have the mission ahead of you. The mission is to serve. Okay? And and I believe in Avatar. Like until you find that mission and service, you'll keep getting reborn and reborn and reborn. So that is my like sort of connection about this. There are so many courses, coaches, and all that. So but unless you transcend, unless you come out of that higher purpose, if you don't have a strong higher purpose that fulfills your soul, unfortunately, you'll be trapped. Okay. So my request or my prayer to you is that you come out from the unreal to the real, right? And yeah, my volume is a little lower. I'm saying my request to you is that you find that purpose, right? Move from the illusions to the reality. And I don't even look at competition. I only teach. I only talk to my students and you. That's it. How many of you are okay with doing that? Like if you're going to go full force on that. Okay. And this has been going on since not now, not 100 years, not 1,000. It's there since Upanishads. Upanishads were there in 8,000 BC. Okay. So all the problems you are facing has already been faced, not by once, twice, thrice. Okay. Distractions were there forever. And I really wish that you go from darkness to the wisdom. Okay, so this is in Upanishads 1.3.28, and last time we had done the other shloka. So with that intent, type I in the chat box if you're going to keep you away and the mission ahead. Type I in the chat box if you're in agreement with me on that. Okay, no matter how you feel, what you feel, because feelings are temporary. The mission is going to outlive you. If Upanishads had said in 8,000 BC, maybe it's 15,000 BC, I don't know when exactly. Every human, every person has faced this. So you are not new, okay? And you will find yourself, you will find your soul when you lose it to others, okay? Awesome. So with that, so last time, all of you, I want to set a strong intent that about, I wanted to set that strong intent before we, yes. So she's saying I, and then, okay. So we looked at Cloud Code. Yes, I love personally Cloud Code, and I've seen the differences between Cloud Code and Codex as well. And as much as you guys are thinking I'm teaching AI, I'm not teaching AI. I'm actually teaching how to transcend this world. Not for you, for me also. Okay. So we looked at last time Cloud Code. How many of you are excited about Cloud Code or used it or Codex? Type C in the chat box. You used Codex or Cloud Code. Okay, perfect. Both are very, very powerful platforms. Today, depending on time, I'll also teach you Grok. I'm betting heavily on Grok also because I believe robotics and AI is going to be the next big thing, if not already. Right? And how many of you finished the calculator example? Type 2 in the chat box. We have done the calculator not on Lovable, but on Codex. So Codex is going to be free. Free means it's only in India, it's I think it's 300 rupees a month. In US, it is $20, which is 2,000 rupees, right? And we had also done this, albeit reasonably successfully, connected GitHub to the Lovable. I fixed this. I should be able to send out a video next week. I'll do. We also completed how to connect your GitHub to Cloud Code. How many of you are ready to make apps for yourself, for your students, and which you can even showcase to your project for your employer tomorrow? And employers love real projects. Real people means real traffic, not some just capstone projects that are capstone is also good, but just theoretical projects. Okay, we had covered this, albeit one small issue was there, but when I refreshed that level, it happened automatically. Okay, so now we also looked at why terminal looks ugly. How many of you are okay with something not looking pleasant? Type P in the chat box. Okay, and we covered this example. I'm going to recover this example. What is this? Type in the chat box. What is this? Yes, this is potato. Yes. So in case you guys, okay, this is the potato. Potato doesn't look very, very good, but the fries look very good. Okay. The fries look very, very good. The reason I'm telling you this is most of the terminal output looks bad. Don't worry about this. It'll come out nicely. Are you guys okay with eating fries? Don't eat fries, okay? You'll get cholesterol like me. Type P in the chat box if you like that joke. Sometimes I crack some jokes. Some are good and bad. Okay. But more importantly, terminal is not going to be that good looking, like lovable, but you will still get good apps and you can do it for cheap. How many of you are ready to build apps, serve 5,000, 10,000 students, but do it for cost economy, like economical? Type 1 in the chat box if you agree with me on that. I always tell, don't be cheap on your way to greatness, but you also have to be careful. When you can spend 1 rupee instead of 10 rupees, you have to be careful. Okay, go all out on tools, technologies, but you can be simple in living. So simple living, I thinking, is the motto. Type 1 in the chat box. Yes. No, I'm not low today. I'm in a common area, so I can't yell and shout. Okay, 1 second. Let me actually move to a conference room. All right. Can you hear me? Came to a conference room, so hopefully you guys are okay with this. Perfect. Yes. Yeah, so when I'm in a co-working space, it's a common place. I can't yell and scream like the way I can usually. And okay, so terminal, don't worry about it. You can save money. It looks a little bad, but you'll do program. So today I'm going to be teaching you about curriculum design on the terminal. So type CC if you're ready to learn curriculum design for your students. So you must have your niche clear. How many of you are absolutely clear about your niche? Type N in the chat box. If you're not clear with your niche and you need my support, type Y in the chat box. Okay. How many of you are not clear with, you don't have too many niches, you only have one niche. So you're good. If you're absolutely clear with your niche, type N in the chat box. If you're not clear with your niche, type Y in the chat box. No, students will not understand vibe coding and agentic AI. Just say AI. Okay, so everybody's clear with your niche? Yes. Raki, your niche is clear. No, AI and spirituality. That's good. Your niche should come from your passion. Anybody who's not clear with your niche, type Y in the chat box. Okay, so for those of you who are not clear with the niche, go back to your go back to this, and you should be able to find day 2. I have kept your niche clarity. Day 2, find your niche and passion. If you don't have a niche, just teach AI in your local language. Can you guys do that? If you don't have a niche, fly with AI. Okay, so type AI in the chat box if you're clear. Just teach AI. That's okay. AI and make money online is very, very important because I want to change. I want to become an AI tutor in career and professional. Raki, I told you there is going to be a penalty if you change your niche. Yes. Why are you talking softly? Yes. Okay, cool. So just fly with something because registration and marketing, do the first webinar. If you don't do the first time getting on cycle is difficult. How many of you struggling with getting on cycle? You don't. How many of you struggle with brushing? You don't. How many of you struggle with driving the car? You don't because you have the license. Get to the first webinar, get to the first sales. Is that okay? Yeah. So type AI in the chat box. If you don't have a niche, just type AI. If you still want to find your niche, just go to the second exercise here. I'm going to do mindfulness and I'm going to do, let's say, teach in my, okay, I don't like to teach in my language. I don't know Telugu that well. So let's say serve my community, then English, find my niche. That should give you a niche. Everybody absolute credits are exhausted. Okay, do it a little later once I refill these credits. Okay, cool. So now let's go back to the second. Okay, so now that your niche is clear, I'm going to design my curriculum and I'm going to use Claude Code, Codex, and Grok in my terminal to design my curriculum. How many of you are okay with one bird, three stones? Oh, sorry, one stone, three birds, type 3 in the chat box. And nobody is teaching it like this. Okay, nobody's teaching this anywhere. So because I believe each AI is very, very different. Okay, so I'm going to do the steps right now. You guys will do it also step by step with me. Okay, cool. So this is going to be a nice hands-on. So can you please explain why Cloud Code is better? Okay, each AI is okay. How many cars are there in the market? How many of you know number of cars? Type in the chat box. 5, 10, 20, 30. Hundreds of cars. Ritesh is saying 30 cars. Ritesh, very nice. 30 cars. Did you count or what? Hundreds of cars are there. So let's take 3 cars, my 3 favorite cars. How many of you would like to know my 3 favorite cars? Okay. So my 3 favorite cars are the BMW, Audi, and Mercedes Benz. Okay. So BMW, Audi, and Benz. I've written that. Now, each car is different. If you have written that, you will know it. BMW is really a driver's let's say drivers कैसे बोलते हैं इसको very driver friendly driver in the means the yeah because you have a lot of control on steering etc. Benz is a lot about luxury. Audi is amazing in terms of the internal, let's say, bells and whistles. Like the stereo system is fantastic, the lumbar support is fantastic, all of that. Everybody understands this? Type 3 in the chat box. Yes. So each has a different, that's the way these are designed actually. It's funny. How many of you want to know a pop quiz? Type Q if you want to know a nice trivia. Okay. Did you know that all 3 cars come in from Germany, a small district called Bavaria? Okay, go to Bavaria sometime. It's really nice. They only do 2 things. They talk about cars and they talk about beer. So all these 3 cars come from a similar district called Bavaria. The reason I'm telling you this is it's a mad place out there. Anyway, why am I telling you this is so each of these AIs has a different, so even though they're similar, they're also very, very dissimilar. So Claude Code I've seen, I've used Codex and Claude Code. So CC I'm telling for Claude and OpenAI is for ChatGPT. Everybody has heard about OpenAI and Claude. Type 2 if you have heard about it. Anybody who has not heard about it, even if you're a beginner, I will support you. Type 1 in the chat box. Okay. Yes. Okay. So these are the biggest AI companies right now. Both of them have just gone public for $1 trillion. So type T in the chat box. Okay. Both of them have gone public recently. That means the next 5 years, they're going to become 5x. So you're at the right stage, at the right place with the right community. Okay. There are no trillion-dollar companies. Very few trillion-dollar companies are there. And so you'll be learning about these AI and both of. So Sam Altman started OpenAI, and then two or three of the employees, two brothers left the company. They started Anthropic, which became Claude Code, and now that's also going public. Okay, so today we're going to do curriculum design. Yeah, Cursor also went to Grok. Yes, and I'm also betting on Grok because it's by Elon Musk, my most favorite hero ever. Okay, so now we're going to do the same curriculum design, three AIs. So what I'm going to do is for you, I am going to be okay. So what I have observed, and you have to also check this. So just like how each car is different, Cloud Code codecs are slightly different. Okay. I have seen Cloud Code is very good for product management and high level ideation. So type P in the chat box if it makes sense. All your high level ideas, Cloud Code is really good. Okay. Even these subtle differences I'm seeing slowly, slowly. And Codex is very good for execution. It's very good for execution. Okay. So think of Claude Code as your very, very smart, brilliant child who likes, upper ka things. Like in a shadi, how many of you have seen some of these leaders will be there, will be like, oh, get this, get the catering correct, all of this. How many of you have seen a child like that who's doing all of those brilliant things? So type P in the chat box if you agree with me on that or if you understood that. Codex I have seen is very good in the nitty gritty details, and when you're actually doing the hands-on piece to that final testing or final. So think of this as your child who's very brilliant but who likes the hands-on, who likes the detail oriented, but he sometimes misses out on the bigger picture. So type E in the chat box if you have understood this. I have not used Grok extensively, so I don't know what is the behavior, but I suspect the behavior will converge towards robotics and news. So this is a brilliant child who is very, very abreast with the latest news and many of those things. I have not used this. So you have to take what I say with a pinch of salt. Okay, take it with a ton of salt. So type S in the chat box if you're okay with taking some salt sometimes. Nilesh, don't do too many things. Do one thing and make the 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, and then do the other things. Okay. Okay, got it. So now I'm going to do the curriculum design on two. For definitely two, I'll be doing, and then you can do one. If you can use terminal and you can build this out, you can do pretty much anything. So type T in the chat box if you're very clear. Because I believe the cost of intelligence will be measured on tokens. You can purchase intelligence. Just like how you purchase cars with money, some car is 50 lakhs, BMW, some car is 60 lakhs, so on and so forth. You can purchase intelligence, and the person who's able to manage and orchestrate that better will win in the future. So let's do your curriculum design right now. Excited? Type T in the chat box. So step one, I am going to go. Okay, so step one, I'm going to do these steps. So Devash is saying crowd is good at research, market trends, and real-time, mainly data analytics. Yeah. So each of them will converge, but on large data sets, same problem is when the matter comes. So I'm going to go to my terminal, and on my terminal, I'm going to be checking this one. Okay. So everybody can see my terminal. When you see my terminal, it will be looking like a potato. It doesn't look good, but what will it give you? Will it give you fries at the end or not? Type FF if you want to eat French fries. Don't eat French fries. Okay, that was a reverse joke. Don't. You'll get cholesterol like me. My cholesterol, I don't want to manifest negativity. My cholesterol will come down. Okay. So I'm going to now do this on Codex. Okay. So I am in my regular folder. Okay. So all my files are neatly set up in my local. So all I'm going to do is they are in code. Okay. Inside code, they are in a folder called pixel test. So let me go to code. If I see I have pixel test and I'm going to say pixel test. Okay, now I have 4, 5 folders here. I have applied AI foundation. So I'm going to go to applied AI foundation and here are all the files. Okay, so now I'm going to get codex here. So the steps to do that are codex. Okay, and now there are some updates available in all this. Okay, so I'll just say, okay, let me skip until the next version. Yes, I trust this. Okay, so now I am in my codex. How many of you are with me so far? And how long did this take me? Type in the chat box how long this took me. Type in the chat box how long this took me. Some approximate time you can tell me. Yes, 1 minute maximum, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so now I am going to give it the prompt. Okay, so this is going to consume much, much less tokens compared to the editor. And here I'm going to be giving the curriculum design prompt. Okay, so let's actually do the curriculum design prompt. So for this, I will be using the I'll be using the voice translation of ChatGPT also, just so that the speed is good. Okay, so I will go back to ChatGPT. Terminal doesn't take voice input. I've seen that it's taking voice input for Claude. For some reason, it's not taking here. Okay, how many of you can speak onto WhatsApp? Have you given a voice note on WhatsApp? Type W in the chat box. Yes. Now I'm going to do the same, okay? I'm using this because Terminal is not supporting this for some reason. Maybe it'll... All right. So my name is Jayant Rasam Sethi. I'm an AI agent and a coach, and we are building digital communities and helping people make online money. I am trying to design a curriculum for 12 weeks for my community so that they get success and results. So the result is they have to earn 3 lakhs a month, and there's a capstone project towards that as well. Plus, they'll be doing the live training and hands-on in AI, most of it. So it's going to be tech first and making sure they make money online. And usually the way they are going to make money online is we do webinars. In India, it's going to be 99 rupees Facebook ad. They come to a 99 rupee webinar, and in the webinar, it's 2 hours. Then we upsell a 4,999 product. And then after that, we're going to upsell a 2 lakh product. So level 1, level 2, level 3. This is the board area. And I also want you to build a curriculum that is AI focused, first AI first, and then building this on the side. So can you give me a high level output of this syllabus? Make sure you give me simple succinct homework. So what is happening on week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, week 9, week 10, week 11, week 12. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, how many of you are ready for me to give this prompt? Type P in the chat box. So some mistakes it may. So that they get success and results. So the result is that they earn 3 lakhs on this. Usually the way they're going to make money is to do webinars in India. So I'm going to keep India funnel. I'm making a few prompt changes. So level 0, L0 is 99 rupees. So L0 is 99. L1 or level 1 is rupees 4,999. L3 is just keep L3 as 2 lakhs, okay? Okay. This is the broad area. And there's AI focus, first AI, and then okay, I can give you a high level output of the excellence. 12 missions, 12 weeks, weekly once for 90 minutes. 90 minutes is enough. Are you guys okay if I give this prompt? Type P in the chat box. Type P if you're okay with this prompt. Okay. Thank you so much. Be nice to the AI. Okay. I know it's an AI, but be nice to it. All right. Okay. So I'm giving it this. Okay. So I don't know why I gave it here. So I'm going to go back to the terminal and I will give that here. So let's see. So this is the output on the chat GPT. So week one, it's saying AI identity and success blueprint, AI first mindset, positioning, income roadmap, blah, blah, blah. Build your second AI brain, AI personal branding, create your first digital product, build your webinar, AI funnel building, Facebook ads for 99 webinar, so on and so forth, AI sales system, delivering an amazing webinar, scale the offer to 5,000 rupees, scale with team and AI automation. Okay. Capstone launch week. How many of you have seen the chat GPT output? Type C in the chat box. Now, same thing I'll do it on terminal. Okay. So I'm going to copy paste this entire prompt and I've kept it here. Now, when I pasted it, it came like this. It automatically truncated it. Type C if you're seeing that I've pasted it and it is truncated. Okay. So now I'm going to hit enter. Shall I hit enter for you? Type E in the chat box if you want me to hit enter. Okay. So I'm going to hit enter right now and let's see the terminal output. So the entire thing got pasted. I'm going to reduce the size of this just for making sure it is looking neat and clean. So below is the high level output on the terminal. It is 12 weeks, 99, blah, blah, blah. And everything came out very, very neatly. Can you see the difference in the output in terminal and chat in the regular prompt? One, the look and the feel is different. The results are also slightly different. In the terminal, almost always you'll get the more powerful platform according to me. That is what I have read. Okay. You'll get all the updated ones and it is cheaper to use the terminal. How many of you would like more, better, for cheaper? Type 1 in the chat box. I repeat, how many of you would like more, better, cheaper? Type 1 in the chat box. Okay. So your curriculum is entirely done. Now, for those, okay, can you see the quality is also very, very different? Okay. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to be doing the same on Cloud Code on my terminal. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same on Cloud Code on terminal. Okay, so let me go and do this on Cloud Code. Okay, let's see if Cloud is installed. Permission denied. Why is my permission denied? Let me go and put this snapshot here. Whenever I have a bug, I just debug it using ChatGPT, okay? Because ChatGPT is very good for low level. Okay, let's see which Cloud. I thought I had installed Cloud. Cloud is not found. Okay, let me reinstall Node, V, npm, V. Okay, npm. Okay, so I have to reinstall Cloud Code. I thought I had installed it. I don't know why it went off. Okay, I have to delete this installation. Okay, as I install Claude, I think Claude got corrupted here. It's okay. You can do the codex. How many of you are ready to do this codex exercise right now and you want the prompt? Type P in the chat box. I'm going to be pasting the prompt onto the mission 3 of the hackathon. You have to do it both. Your task in 5 minutes or in 15 minutes is to do this task and submit on the terminal. Okay, so mission 3 learning, I'm going to place the prompt here. Okay. So V10, where are we? V10, yes. So we are in mission 3. So all I'm going to do is so you finished. So you're going to do curriculum design using Codex, Cloud Code, and Grok. How many of you are okay doing 3 birds with 1 stone? Okay, so I'm going to update. Right now, I'm going to put the prompt for you here. So when you go here, I'll put the prompt. The video lecture will be uploaded after the lecture. Okay. So here is the prompt. So let me actually work on the prompt for you. Let's work on the prompt. Okay. So my name is, so write your name. Don't write my name. I know you guys love me, but don't write my name. So my name is, insert your name. Insert name. I am an AI agent and digital coach. Now here you insert your niche. If you're, okay, insert your niche. If you don't have a niche, just teach AI in your local language. Don't teach in English because English, unless you have 3 or 4 lakhs of budget, will be very, very difficult to fly. Okay. And we are into the dash niche. So I have, okay, so this is fine. And what are you helping with people with? And helping people with, so if your niche is, let's say, weight loss, you can say my goal is to make them lose 5 lakhs, sorry, 5 kgs. Okay, I am trying to design a curriculum for 12 weeks. Always keep 12 weeks, okay? Don't do more than that or less than that to get results. There is a capstone project. Always keep an end project. They like that. Live and hands-on. Most of it is going to be tech first. So change these concepts. And usually the method. So what is the methodology? What is the methodology? They'll get the results. Insert your unique methodology. So I think Taran can say, they are going to be doing like a self-assessment, etc. So insert your unique methodology here. How they're going to get the results. So my unique methodology is webinars right now. And I want you to build a curriculum that is AI focused. So keep always AI, that's important. And then building on the side. Then building on the side, the topic. Insert your topic. So I'll just say like this. Can you give me a high level output of the syllabus? Make sure you give a simple, succinct homework. Yeah, always keep a homework and a classwork, okay? I've seen that. Otherwise, people are very, very happy coming and watching videos like Netflix. They're so used to doing nothing and eating popcorn on the side, there'll be no outcome. Actually, that's what I'm doing sometimes. Okay, sorry, that was bad. Okay, thank you so much. And keep week 1, week 2. Are you okay with this prompt? Type PPE if you want this prompt fast. So I am going to keep it on the learning of the mission 3. Okay. So all the very best. You have 10 minutes. Do it on terminal and do it on your chat GPT for the voice if you want. If anywhere you're stuck, use chat GPT to do this. You can even do this on your mobile phone. Okay. You have 10 minutes to submit the classwork. Once you are done, type done in the chat box. You'll be given an opportunity to come to the community and show your this one. So on the community, I'm going to be submitting here. Codex Cloud Code and Grok A star for curriculum design. So write your name like this and submit it. Okay. So I'm going to pin that post. Okay. You have 5 minutes. Okay, done. So this is the pin statement. Let's go. Meanwhile, I'll fix the, I don't know what's the issue with Cloud Code. I'll fix that. Yeah, okay. Even PowerShell is fine. Yeah, you can do terminal, that's fine. Anything. PowerShell terminal is all the same. Where is the prompt? Can you share the steps on the slides? Okay, I'll share the steps on the slides. Step 1. Head to your terminal. Step 2. We've done this before, but no problem. You can do it. Okay. At any issue, use ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT for debugging. Use ChatGPT for any kind of bugs or issues if you have questions. Then install Codex, which you have done. Okay. What is your objective? Objective is to get your 12-week curriculum for your students. And it should be simple curriculum. Don't make it too hyphened up because all your students will be beginners in the beginning. Okay. Use install Codex. Okay. On ChatGPT, give it the prompt and come up with the curriculum design. Okay. These are the steps. You can also use the OpenAI or ChatGPT for the same. Okay. Then paste on the community. Paste this on the community. You have, okay. The prompt I've given it to you on the hackathon. The first 3 people, I will bring them here personally and you can share it and you can show off. Yes. I've kept it on the week 10, mission 3. Mission 3 of this hackathon. People watching on YouTube, any questions you have, feel free to ask me. No, no. Update it, Arun. It's there. Okay. For any errors, just go and put that snapshot onto ChatGPT. Please show the prompt. I have given the prompt in the hackathon version 10. This is the 12. It's in the third mission. We are in third mission, right? Of the 12 missions, we are in third mission. It's there here. I've given you the entire prompt. Copy and paste it. Make your own spin for your own community. Amuta, are you doing yes or no? Let's get each person and quickly get a commitment. Amita, you don't need to keep your camera on. Yes, are you doing or no? You can unmute and say. Okay. So OpenAI, you have to do it, get your curriculum, and then you have to do it on Codex. You have to do both. I want you to learn terminal. Please go back to the step slide. Okay, no problem. Steps. Here are the steps. Curriculum design, 15-minute task. Objective is to get your 12-week curriculum design step. Step one, head to your terminal with the prompt. Okay. Any problems you have, use ChatGPT for debugging. Install Codex. Step four, give it the prompt and come up with the curriculum design. Or optional, you can do it on OpenAI also. Taran, yeah, this is the task for today. Yeah, you finish your CT, no problem. All right, who's going to be first, guys? Who's going to be first? Let's look at the community. Okay, so far we have nobody yet, but that'll change. Whoever has done it first, type done in the chat box. Okay, let's get on somebody who has a question. Um, let's get on. No, you have to open Codex on your terminal. Codex, I can do this, but the Codex is not showing up. Installing Codex on terminal is 5 minutes, mama. Neelam, prompt is on your, I told you the prompt is on your learning. You have already been in the community for 1 month. You should know this. So Monday, Applied AI Live Hackathon, 12 weeks, V10, you have your prompt. Okay, how many of you were successfully able to install Codex on your terminal? Type C in the chat box. Let's take step by step. How many were able to successfully? Oh my God, Shraddha, you got it. Yes. You have installed Codex on your terminal. Henna, done? Good. Successfully installed? Yes, Meenakshi ma'am is done. Rishi is doing. Mithil, are you doing? Shaili, are you doing? How's your mom? Yeah, only one of them is fine. Mithil, I'm expecting speed from you. Chaya, you have done it. So have you finished your curriculum design? Whoever is first gets 50 more gold coins. Last time also I had given. Whoever is first to post on the community. I want you guys to take the leaderboard very seriously. Done and posted. Oh my God. Ganesh, you are finished. Yes, 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 yes. I am so excited. Oh my God, 4, 5 of you have done. Shaili has done it. Let's get Shaili. Yes. Taking longer to create a local server. You don't need a local server. I want the codex output, not as a server, as just the script. Let's get on Ganesh. How many are ready with Ganesh? Let's get Ganesh's share. Ganesh promoting you to panelist, and you can share your screen. Shaili, you be ready. Let's get Ganesh share. Yes, Ganesh. How many of you would like
Able
to?
to hear me?
Yes,
Able to hear me?
yes. Able
So I
to hear
have
you.
issue with my cam, so that's
I
no.
don't know why you have issues with your camera. Every time you're saying that. What is the meaning of issue with camera? You're okay to see me, but you don't want to be seen. Why?
No, don't know. I just let me
I'm
fix it.
joking. Uh,
Okay, I'm just
you
sharing my
cannot
screen.
be camera shy as a techie. You will not make money if you
No,
have to
I'm
get
not
out of the.
shy. I'm not. Some issue. That's last 2 weeks. Some issue with my cam laptop. So I'm just
So
fixing
come on
it.
mobile, mama. Come on mobile. Get another phone and join from that, and then come on camera.
Give me a minute. Let me try.
I'll give you 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm joking. Okay, good, good. Sorry, sometimes I joke, guys. Are you okay if I joke sometimes? Keep it FF. Come on camera. It'll inspire the others. Okay. Next person, Shaili. I know you submitted it. Let's get her on. Shaili Chabra.
See me?
Oh my God. Yes, we are able to see you, Ganesh.
Okay.
Now
Just sharing my screen.
let me do Shirasana. I have to now go upside down to meet you. Oh my God, you're in fitness space. I love fitness. Yes, I
So
actually
this
love
is
fitness. No, are you really in fitness, Ganesh sir?
yeah. I'm just.
Why are you passionate about
Mm.
fitness?
Yes, I want to do for IT people, mostly. I'm just planning AIT.
No, no, but are you fit yourself? Do you have six pack?
Yeah. Not six pack, but I'm doing daily yoga and gym day. I'm doing 2 hours. I'm
Okay,
doing.
good. Oh, so you're a coder and you're fit. That's a rare
Yeah.
combination.
So this is the
Yes.
one I just gave. The
Mama, one sec. Are you open to feedback?
yeah, tell me.
Do
Yeah,
IT
yeah.
leaders. Do IT leaders. AI curriculum for fitness for IT. Don't do entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs won't have time.
Okay, okay.
Do IT leaders. IT leaders have time and they're always sedentary. So their blood pressure, diabetes, everything will be high. They will pay you very
Hmm.
fast.
Hmm. Hmm.
Practical business
Okay.
first. Why did you put business first? You're saying entrepreneur first. Sorry, fitness first. No? What is that? Business first. That is wrong. Okay, change that. Do I give
Business.
give IT professionals? IT professionals are huge.
Entrepreneur. Remove this. Okay. Remove this. Okay.
Yeah. Directors, don't
Oh,
do directors.
okay.
Directors, the number of directors are very less. They won't pay you money. Who want to use AI for
Okay.
productivity? Don't do all that productivity. And fitness is a huge niche. You will become a billionaire. Trust me on that.
Hmm.
Fitness is very big. Okay,
Okay.
good. Hmm.
This is the curriculum, and I just published. This is the final output.
Okay, show me your output. You're not sharing your entire. Okay.
Same screen, right? This one.
Yeah. Go down.
I can do front and back full stack, but I'm not done. I can still do that. Like when I click that, right, it can go drill down. So that one next week I'll do that.
No. See, you're mixing AI. I don't think. See, the goal of is AI and how you're mixing AI with fitness. So AI for fitness means like how you can do AI with yoga or how you can do AI with whatever you are doing. Don't teach them
Hmm.
AI and this. You're teaching them
Hmm.
technical AI with this, not like that. The AI has to be
Okay.
used for the fitness. The
Okay.
first one is good. First module is good. Mindset and leadership is good. Prompting basics is good. Go down. Productivity with AI. The guy who's fit is not going to care about productivity. You remove that.
Okay.
Four is
Okay.
not good.
He's
Marketing,
not
you
good.
don't need to teach me. See, suppose if I am in fitness niche, I am
Hmm.
trying to like,
Hmm.
how do I decrease my cholesterol? How do I decrease my
Hmm.
blood pressure, diabetes? That is
Hmm.
all.
Okay. I'll remove this. So
Week
this one.
six is week six sales. Why is he interested in sales? He won't be interested in sales.
Okay. I'll
How to live
remove
healthy
this.
lifestyle for you and your family, how to reduce weight in like 15 minutes a day. Those are the things. So,
I think this is also not a for fitness growth. I think this is not
no
like
business. Don't mix up two, three agendas.
okay.
How to do
Okay. I will.
fitness using AI in office in tight spaces. How to do fitness without gym membership. Those are the things he'll be interested in. No?
Okay. Okay. Anyway, I got the basic. Now I'll change it. I'll modify it.
Yeah. Show me your terminal. I love simple curriculum. That's all. Show me your terminal, Ganesh.
This terminal showing.
No. This is the
Oh yeah.
output. This is your server. Show me your terminal. Okay, you're not sharing the entire screen.
Oh, 1 second. See now?
Yeah, very good. Hmm. Oh my God, excellent. Brilliant. Yeah. One sec. What is your input prompt? I'm designing AI curriculum for leadership coaching. So many things you can't do. You can't become jack of all trades. You have to keep it very specific.
Yeah, I'll change. I got your feedback.
Yeah,
I'll
okay,
change
okay.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Good. Very good.
I
Okay,
got your
that's good.
feedback. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Anyway,
Excellent.
just
Brilliant.
try. I'm trying now. So anyway, I'll get a feedback. I'll change it. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Um,
focus on one avatar. You can't. The
mm.
yeah, IT professionals. Okay, how many of you are inspired by Ganesh? He has finished it and he has submitted on the type MPTY for Ganesh.
And you can
Type
do full
MPT
stack, right? You can do full stack, right? The front and back. When I click this.
for teaching or for what are you saying?
No, no. Like if I click there, drill down to again some more points. Like
No, just
if I
go back
click
and
on
tweak.
this.
Yeah, tweak
o-
this. That's fine.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay.
Awesome.
I'll
Okay,
do that.
perfect. Good,
Thank
excellent.
you. I'll take your inputs and change it. Thank you.
Yeah. But every day you're doing yoga.
Yeah, every day I'm doing
What do you do
yoga
in
and
yoga?
gym.
Surya Namaskar.
Yeah, Surya Namaskar. We have institute, so I go there for 2 hours. Do morning five
For
to
how
seven
long have you been doing?
for more 2 years.
That is your niche.
Mhm.
You say yoga, how you're doing, and then you can make an app for yoga. People can do postures. People can record
Hmm.
how many Surya Namaskars. I will buy that app, man. How
Okay.
many dands you can do? Because I do yoga for 4 5 years. How many dands? How many steps? That is an app. Only focus on that.
Hmm. Sure,
And
I'll do
maybe if
that.
you do a headstand like you every day, you will automatically become fit.
No,
That is the
something issue.
first.
I don't know, some
No,
issue. I'll
no,
check
no,
it.
no, no. You are
I will
motivating
fix.
me to do headstand. That is the
No,
thing.
no, no.
Okay.
I'm
Thank
sorry.
you.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Okay. Good. Just focus on that yoga. Yoga is big. You can go international very fast
Yeah.
because a lot of the West people are also having health issues. Okay. So
Mm.
how many of you are genuinely inspired by Ganesh? He finished it. And let's type MPTY for Ganesh. Let's get on our beloved Shaili Chabra. Yes,
Eh,
non-technical person.
Hi,
You
hi
know we don't
Jay.
say we don't say hi without camera.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Let's get you on, ma'am. Yes, please share
Um,
what you've done.
yeah, I I need a sharing request. I've
Done,
sent you
done.
a sharing request.
Yes, as soon it's done, you can share it. Oh my God, 5 people have done it. 6 people. Shraddha has also done. Oh, brilliant.
So yeah.
Spirituality plus corporate coaching for women. Brilliant. I love it. One sec. Can I ask a small doubt?
Yeah.
Are you doing corporate training? Are you targeting women professionals?
No, I'm targeting women professionals, but
So why would you
in the
write
corporate
corporate?
environment.
So वो women
I
professional से ही
think
हो गया ना? It's redundant.
maybe because I wrote that I'm a spirituality and corporate coach, amalgamating these
Ah,
two
okay, okay.
and helping women professionals find their true calling. So this is what I wrote, and I think it
Okay.
took it
Yeah,
in a
because
different way.
corporate training is very different. Corporate training, you will make 1 2 lakhs and you'll
Yeah,
die. Meaning it's very fatiguing.
yeah,
You can't scale it to 50 lakhs, 1 crore, you can't scale.
right.
Okay, sorry, I went hyperbole there. Okay, 12 weeks, 12 missions, excellent. One live session, 90 minutes is help. Okay, brilliant. Okay, you're very sorted. Meet AI as a co-creator, decode your purpose, heal money
Sorry.
blocks. So in the beginning, you keep it about money blocks. 90% of people think money will solve their problems. Straight away, you
Okay,
put on money. Awaken your true
okay,
calling and meet AI as your co-creator. And so money block, how will you heal fast? How to make 1 lakh in 1 month? 1 lakh in 1 day, something like that. Some clickbait title you have to give. Second week only you say that.
okay,
Okay. Yeah. Because then week 8, week 9, you can focus on relationships, weight loss, and all of maybe a little bit of that. Think about that.
okay,
You need an outcome for every mission. You try to keep one small outcome. Okay.
okay,
Meet AI as your co-creator, and maybe one example could be and heal your money blocks in 5 minutes. 15-minute exercises like that. Simple. I think you're very sorted. Why are you giving them a paid offer by the end of the result? Are you trying to sell coaching again?
No, I think it's just picked it up. I didn't give that as a direction. I didn't give that in my prompt anywhere
Are
that
you
they
sure? You
that
don't just copy paste mine. Use your Hupan GPT
no, no.
also.
I removed all of that. See, there's nowhere that it mentions anything about paid offer.
Yeah, 1 second. So no, line 3 has that. So it's going to be tech first and making sure they make some money online.
Oh, I removed it. I know maybe it just got pasted, but this part, no, that they make money online, I had removed it. I
Kabhi
removed it
kabhi,
in my
kabhi, kabhi use your human GPT, not just copy paste, please. Otherwise, you're sorted. You're good.
see, I removed it from here in my prompt that I read it the whole thing because I realized it's going in a different direction,
Yeah, so
and it's
यहाँ पे
because of that
यहाँ
one line.
yeah. So यहाँ पे भूख लगी थी, that's why you ate it. वहाँ पे भूख नहीं था, इसलिए you copy pasted it. Okay, okay, good. Don't confuse the AI. I told you these are
Yeah,
BMW, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. If you give it a small input in the wrong direction, it will go somewhere else. So change this,
correct.
tweak this, and you're good. Okay. How many of you are genuinely inspired
Okay.
by Shaili, ma'am? She's going to become a spiritual healing coach using AI. Type MPTY in the chat box, and she submitted it. And are you non-technical?
I'm non-technical,
First,
yes.
yes. First time you did it on terminal?
Yeah. First time on
No, you're
terminal,
joking.
yes.
You're lying. How can you be so good?
Because of you.
That's very kind. Very kind. Super proud of you. Very fast. Actually, how's
Thank
your
you.
mom?
She's better. She's getting better by the day.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So that's it.
Thank you.
MPTY for Shaili ma'am, who has finished and is going to be launching. Healing is a great space. Many women need it and they'll pay fast. Women professionals in India are deadly. They actually, because they are managing the house and they're managing the job and they have to manage husbands and in-laws. So they make a decision fast. Do not target housewives. Okay. Genuinely, if you're inspired by Shadi ma'am, that's it, MPTY in the chat box. Okay. Next person who has submitted, let's get her on. All right. Let's get Debashish sir. Perfect. Let's get Debashish sir. And Shaili was non-technical. She's never worked on a terminal. Who is Reveloft? Oh yeah, this is Mithil. Oh yeah, you must be in office. So sorry, I troubled you. Anybody else who would like to share? Type M in the chat box. This is also a great opportunity to meet the rest of the community. Yes, Ritesh. Let's get you on. Our resident gold member, Ritesh. Let's finish it. Yes, Ritesh. Oh my
Can you hear
God,
me?
Ritesh. You're not on a mobile. You're not on a. You're not in the cinema theater with Nidhi.
I'm not on a phone always knows. What?
You actually did the work and you're actually doing it. Oh my God.
Yes,
Okay,
yeah.
awesome. You have sharing permission. Let's go.
Yeah, I'll just like share my screen 1 second. Yeah, my screen should be visible. Oh, okay. I'm on a different laptop. I'm on a different laptop actually. I'm not able to share the screen. I'm just
No, I made you co-host. You can share it. No problem.
okay, 1 second, sir. 1 second. I'm really sorry. I'm not seeing the wait.
No problem. Okay, Shraddha, be
What is
ready. Shraddha, gold member, be ready and you can come and you can share also. Now, I don't know if today, like Tirupati, will I get darshan ticket of Shraddha or no? Or maybe like I have to do online darshan only.
Yes, sir. I think I should be able to share it now.
Yeah. Once you
Yeah.
finish, submit on the community, guys. Yes.
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible? Can you see it?
Yes, we can see. Yeah, go for it.
Yes, sir. So this is what I got here on the
Awesome.
terminal.
Very good.
I told that I want to be a AI coach and for Python for ML and AI as well. So I
Do one small
got the entire
tweak.
plan.
Are you open to a feedback from me?
Of course, sir.
My request is do Python automation, you say. Don't do
Python
ML.
automation.
Yeah, see, I've realized machine learning, deep learning is a very high science. You will get very, very technically advanced people, but they'll also pay you 2 lakhs. But beginners also will pay you 2 lakhs.
Python
Automation, you
automation.
say. Yeah, focus on automation. That's a good one. You
Fine,
can
sir.
say
Fine.
AI and Python automation, you say. Automation,
Python
yeah.
Okay, fine. I did that. And then yeah, so like it shared the week one, what has to be done, week two, and yeah, it is
Mama, one sec.
structured also.
Relax.
Very good.
1 second. Go up. See, if you're in automation or Python, don't teach anything about AI opportunity mapping. Teach them about themselves. Where do you currently stand? What is your salary? If it's a business, you're tracking a professional. So, what is your salary? What is your hike? Use AI to find those metrics.
Okay.
People will
Okay.
buy on the highest point of pain. I buy lunch. I eat lunch at 1 because I'm hungriest at 1. I don't eat lunch at 3 o'clock because I'm hungry for lunch. At 3, I'm hungry for dessert. You
Yeah.
have to instigate the pain, okay?
Okay.
AI salary analysis, AI competitor, AI colleague analysis salary. People are always interested how much their friends are earning, whether they are earning or not.
Okay.
Bus-
Okay. Okay.
Why are you targeting business use cases of AI? They don't care. Professionals will not care about business. AI services
Okay.
versus AI products, that also not relevant. So you're in good shape. You can tweak this.
Okay.
Why are you teaching make money online? Don't confuse it. A professional doesn't want to make money online. He's worried about his salary. That identity shift will take a lot of time.
Fine. 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 Okay.
Good, good. Okay, keep going down. So you can spin it as industries. No, industries, I like that point. So you can say, are you in retail? Are you in e-commerce? Are you in finance? Are you in BFSI? Are you in agriculture? Like that, that you can give. That's a good point.
Okay.
Python for AI is excellent. So week 2 and tactics and all you can share. That's okay. But don't do APIs and all. Beginners will not understand APIs. When they see terminal only, they are scared. I get so many WhatsApp messages. Sir, this is very complicated.
Yeah.
Don't scare a student. Data handling is okay. LLMs, I don't
LLM,
think you should teach. Don't teach LLMs till
LLM is not that
week
easy.
4, week 5, week 7, week 8 you teach.
Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Then building your first agent.
Um, so if you, yeah, building a first agent, you can even move it up to module 3 itself, you can move it up.
Module 3. So yes, okay.
Yeah, yeah. One thing I've realized, all these guys who buy Python courses, AI agent courses, they'll refer 3, 4 competitors and they'll come. Even if they don't know the syllabus, they'll refer all of those and come. So little bit the
Okay.
syllabus has to be congruent in the beginning.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Trigger action is very good.
And then this week 5 says AI automation systems.
Yeah, data rag is good. MCP, add MCP servers there.
MCP also. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
That's important.
embeddings, don't keep it for beginners. L3 customers you give. They won't understand.
Okay.
Capstone project. Capstone project, you have to seed in the beginning itself. From week
Seed
1,
it
it's
in the beginning.
yeah, week 1 itself, you have to keep saying capstone, 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 capstone. Because many people will, they'll have to have that frame of mind. Okay, I have to do this to get. See, remember when we were in 10th class, first class itself, they say, oh, 10th class exam is coming, final exam is coming, final exam is
Correct.
coming. My grandmother went 70 kilometers to temples to do puja for my 10th class. So that feeling has to come. Okay.
Fine, sir. Fine. I understand what you're saying.
Don't do sales. Sales agent people don't like sales. People want the money, but they don't like the sales. Customer support is good. Lead, they won't understand. HR agent is very good. People understand HR. Job agent, resume agent, apply to 10 jobs in 5 minutes. Those kind of agents. Appointment setter, they
Correct.
won't understand.
Etc.
Sorry, is this useful for you guys? Type you in the chat box. I know we are going a little fast, but multiple topics, if you see, you'll understand about yourself. Type you if this is 100% very useful for you. This is actually gold,
Yes, sir.
okay? Packaging, positioning, pricing. Pricing is standard. In India, 99 rupee webinar, 4,999, 2 lakhs works like a charm. There's no other deviation from that.
Team position, turning products into offers.
Outcome, why would you say sellable?
Yeah, not sellable. Create a sellable offer means like something that is affordable. I think. Something that is
No, you
affordable.
have to speak the language of your students. So you simply say becoming job ready in 30 days. Double your salary or not get your job. Some clickbaity thing you have to write. Yeah, LinkedIn outreach is
Okay.
excellent. Cold DM, they won't understand. Cold email, they won't understand. No employee ever writes a cold email because every employee fears rejection. Every make money
Okay.
online is okay with rejection.
Mm.
Discovery calls, they won't understand. Reach out to 20 prospects, they won't understand. So you copy pasted mine again.
So not exactly. So like not exactly. So like I made a few changes.
Do
Not
few
exactly.
push-ups, properly with the thumb, no? You copy
It wasn't
pasted
exactly the same, sir. Like overall, like the idea was the same, but then like I made a few changes.
You have to make changes, okay? Because don't confuse these two. Okay. So, okay. I think you did a good job. Very good job. So you finished
Yeah.
ChatGPT. Okay, good.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Not
finished
yeah,
Codex. Was
yes,
this the
sir.
first time you did on Codex?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On Terminal?
This first time, yeah, first time it was.
How do you feel?
So I just had a question like, why is it much more better to do it here than on the actual application. Now, I didn't understand that part.
The markup is on the GUI, no? This is
Okay,
more low
correct. Yeah,
level
correct.
programming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
This is more low level programming. Yeah, it's more faster in this one. How do you feel?
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, so like it was not hard, sir. It was like easy only, like use some AI tools and all that stuff. Like it's easy. So I wasn't sure like what had to be entered over here. So I just went to
Right.
ChatGPT and I asked it that like what all prompts has to be entered and all that,
Very
and
good.
uh, and I got the answers. And so one more question is like if I want to like ask a question over here, am I supposed to enter the question in the same place itself?
Yeah, yeah. Same place.
Very cool, right? Okay.
Okay. And how many students? How much have you made so far?
So right now totally 35,000.
35,000.
Yeah.
Have you ever made money online?
No.
Please spending
Uh,
online. No making
it's
but,
not that, right? Good thing.
but genuinely, how do you feel?
So about what exactly? About the like the online thing or
Mama,
what?
you made 35,000 rupees
So that
online.
is great, sir. That's great. Yeah, yeah. So like, that is obviously so like how it changed my view is that like it's much more easier to do it now like that in the past. So like if you want to start a business online, I think right now is the best time to do it because
Yes.
like we have AI and stuff, and then like
Okay.
yeah, yes, sir. So it's extremely interesting
Okay.
also like to
And you
learn all
did
this.
the sales.
Yeah, I did. I learned
Okay.
the sales from you only, sir. Like you were obviously like really good at
Okay.
it. So I
Right.
I, I
Right.
learned it. I learned it like to some extent. I'm not that great at it, but I was really bad in the start, and so like now I would say that I'm a bit above average, little bit above average.
You're being very modest. Okay, good. How many of you are genuinely inspired? So, Ritesh is a Python and AI automation now is coach. He's in Bangalore, IBM data scientist. He finished our ITM Pravartak and he's in the gold membership as well. Type MPTY in the chat box for Ritesh. Okay. Type MPTY in the chat box. He's gonna become a millionaire. I know it for sure. Provided if he gives some time from all his extracurriculars. One is Nidhi, one is father, then all
Sir,
the
I
other
give.
things. Finally, if he has to, but genuinely, because he's super talented, he's one of the first people who finished an ITM certification independently. Okay, and but I know that he's going to become and he'll serve audience. He's also a Shiva Bhakt. Yes. Okay. Let's take one more person. So Ritesh is slightly tech. So let's take one non-tech person. And how many of you are genuinely inspired? Because I want to keep the wins coming. Type MPTY in the chat box. Let's take one more win. Shraddha will not give darshan today because I didn't do Shiva Puja. Then who is there? Raki, you did it. Oh my God. Let's get Raki, ma'am. Raki, are you there? Guys, be ready for the shares because now I'm going to be increasing the ante. I'll be increasing the level. Yes, Raki, ma'am. Let's get you on. Yeah, as she gets her camera and this one on, let's. Yes, Raki, ma'am, you're audible and visible.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you can share your screen. Meenakshi, did you finish?
Is it visible?
Not yet. The two times you have to click.
Is it visible?
Yes. So who? No, not visible. You have to click two times. Share. Meenakshi and others, just share it on the curriculum. No, sorry, the community if you have done it. Please do that. No problem. You can also say, if you're finished it, you can
Okay,
say.
actually, one thing I have completed on Grok and other I have done on by making use of Codex. So
Very good.
till now, I don't know how to work on a cloud.code. I have no idea about that because
No
that is
problem.
asking for a GitHub account.
कोई बात
So
नहीं.
right now, I don't have that.
No, but are you able to share your screen? Otherwise, next time you can share your screen. It's okay, no problem.
There might be some issue.
कोई बात नहीं, ma'am. Okay, cool. And was this the first time?
Okay.
No problem. You can share your win. Was this the first time you worked on terminal and on Codex and Cloud Code?
Cloud code, I have not done any work till now because that is asking calculator I have done on Codex. I have not done that
Got it.
on cloud code.
Okay, but was this the first time calculator that you did on Codex here in these sessions?
Yes.
Yes. How do you feel?
It was good. And I did it on Cloud.ai instead of Cloud Code. I did
That's okay,
that
ma'am.
work on
That's fine.
Cloud.ai.
Okay. So now you have curriculum and you have clarity. Okay, cool.
Yes.
And first time you did it. Awesome. Everybody, if you're inspired by Rakhi ma'am, type MPTY. I will share what she submitted. This is her submission. Let's see her submission here. Yeah. So spiritual AI tutor program, build, launch, and monetize. Okay. So you have to change it. You are not doing spiritual business. I think you have not changed my copy paste. You have to change that a little. Okay. All of this looks good. But you have to change your prompt for the exact curriculum you want. You're targeting AI and spirituality for working women. You have to copy and paste properly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. All right. How many patents do you have right now?
Same 13. I'm right now. I'm just quite busy in robotics lab, so I'm working over there.
Okay. Oh my God. Yeah, why are you not with your husband in the US?
I have to go to college now, so
Okay,
I don't
you have
want
a
to quit
job.
my job. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't
Oh
want
my
to
God,
quit
you have to
now.
quit it. Okay, good. Awesome. Everybody hit MPT. And how old is the son? I forgot.
He's 10 years old.
10 years. Okay. Wow. Mother has 13 patents. I wonder how many patents he'll have. Yes. Awesome. So let's hit MPTY for Rakhi ma'am, who's a lethal lady. One MBA, one MTech, one PhD, and husband is also from IN. So, and they still have black hair. I don't know how that is happening. With one BTech and two MTech, I only got full gray hair. So, all right, everybody hit MPTY. She's also sort of semi-technical to technical, but she's done it. Let's get one more quick share. Let's get Meenakshi ma'am, you want to share? Let's get Meenakshi. Oh my God, ready to share. Yes, made you the host. Oh my God, you're also on laptop. Amazing. You can unmute and share, ma'am.
I don't think I did a good job, but yeah, I have a terminal output. That's about it. Nothing
That's
much.
good. That's good. Very good. Please share what you have done. Sure, you can share it. Guys, this is a temple. There is no space to say I have not done a good job. I have not eaten my vitamin B12. I have not taken calcium tablets. Only positive zone. Okay, very good output.
No, I didn't. I didn't tweak your prompt properly.
Okay.
That's what I realized. So
No problem. Okay, write 5 prompts for a daily work. Okay, that's fine. So you can tweak my prompt, but this is the first time you're doing the codex inside the terminal, correct?
that's true.
Okay, how do you feel?
Yeah, it always feels good to work on the terminal. Yeah.
Yes, amazing. Awesome. Everybody hit MPTY for Meenakshi ma'am joining in from New Jersey, where I think the finals of the FIFA World Cup will be hosted, and she's going to go with her daughter, who just got into Johns Hopkins, a dream college for me at that time. But I don't think I didn't apply to Johns Hopkins also. Okay, let's type MPTY for Meenakshi ma'am. Yes. Okay, cool. Next person. Okay, so now how many of you are ready for the next challenge? Type C in the chat box and I'll get new people who have not done it. Type C if you're ready for the next challenge. And I am not going to give you my prompt. Seems like I made a mistake giving you the prompt. You guys are only copy pasting it. If you're doing push-ups, don't do push-ups with the thumb. You have to do push-ups with your body, okay? Don't do thumb push-ups. Copy paste properly and tweak it. Okay. So now I'm going to do the same exercise with Claude Code and Grok. How many of you want me to do that? Type C in the chat box. Yes. Okay. So I love Claude Code. I've reinstalled it. There was some corruption on the file, but I will. One sec. Let's help Neelam. Neelam, have you done it? Amuta, have you done it? Nilesh. I don't keep a Cloud Code desktop version because it takes half a GB. I only use terminal. Okay, Neelam, whenever you get an error like that, you go and put it on ChatGPT, okay? No problem. You go and put it on ChatGPT. No, it's okay, no problem. Try slowly, there's no rush. Guys, you are in no race with anybody else. I am only showing you these people for motivation. You are in a race with yourself. There's no other race. Is everybody okay with that? Type C in the chat box. Nilesh, have you done it or you're going to be telling something and all? Cloud Code is taking more tokens in the UI and not in the interface. Okay, so now I'm going to show you Cloud Code. Same exercise I'll do in Cloud Code for you guys, okay? So let me go back here. So now I have installed Cloud Code. I have used ChatGPT to install Cloud Code, meaning I just literally went and said, how do I install Cloud Code? So I'm going to show you that. So I went back to ChatGPT and I said, how to install Cloud Code on terminal. Okay, now I got a few steps here. Okay, I had copy pasted this and I've already done this. I copy pasted this and I already did it. Let me do this. I pasted it here. How long did this take me? Type in the chat box. How long did this take me? Type in the chat box. You can type anything you want. Shailesh, you have to actually run the local server command there. Guys, I have installed Cloud Code. First, I went to ChatGPT. I asked it the prompt how to install Cloud Code on terminal. Then I copy pasted that into this. How many of you have seen this? Don't do it with me. Just see the steps first. Just see the steps first. How long did this take me? Okay. Got it. So now next, 1 second, 3 seconds. Okay, good. So now next I'm going to say Cloud. So Cloud Code is already there. Now I'm going to say Cloud. I'm going to copy paste this. I'm going to copy paste this here. And now I have Claude and it's the most latest model actually. And it's not the latest model for some reason. And I'm going to be using here, it will take a lot less tokens. So now I'm going to be prompting the same thing back here. So let's go back here. I'm going to go back to my learning. Okay, now the same prompt, I have tweaked it here and kept it here. How many of you want me to enter? Type P in the chat box. Type P if you want me to enter the prompt. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the prompt here and I'm going to be doing it here. Okay, so now Cloud Code on my terminal is going to be giving the enter. So now look, Claude is little intelligent. It's more of a product manager. What should I call you? My name is Jayan Sethi. Your niche. My industry is Okay, your unique methodology. My unique is via webinars. And 3, it is a coaching. Okay, so I've given all of the answers on Claude Code and it is now getting me the results. Okay. So now Claude is a little more, like I said, it is the child that is a little more product manager oriented. So it's now going to give this. Okay. So you can see it. It's actually much, much better quality. AI, the mindset reset. Oh my God, that's really powerful. Okay. So ChatGPT didn't get this. You have to reset the mindset of your students because they'll be thinking in one track mind. You have to just slightly tweak it. Type 1 in the chat box if you are really amazed by Claude Code's output. Type 1 in the chat box. Find your niche with AI. So next is, it is telling me to find the niche with AI. In fact, I had used Claude Code for my day 2 niche finder exercise. Build your personal brand. People love themselves more than anything else. So Claude has understood that and is telling me this. These were not there in ChatGPT. Okay. So I got all of the 5 outputs, 12 outputs. Okay. And then capstone launch. Always keep a capstone. Towards the end, they should have a paid project, etc. Now, and they will walk away with this. Want me to build the detailed week by week lesson? You don't need this. Now, in the interest of time, how many of you would like the bonus classwork for extra points? Type B in the chat box. Type B if you want me to do this. Okay. Same thing on Lovable would have taken a lot more time, which is powered by Claude Code. I'm going to also do Grok right now itself. Right now itself, I will do Grok. Okay. So I'm going to now do Grok as well. So I'm going to first, how do I install Grok? I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I will give it the command. How do I install Grok? How to install Grok on my terminal. Okay. So now it's going to give me the command. How many of you want me to copy paste this onto Grok? Sorry, terminal. Type I if you're okay with me copy pasting this. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to paste this here. So I go to terminal, I open a new terminal and I say, just copy paste it from ChatGPT. Anytime you're stuck, put this photo on ChatGPT. So now Grok got installed. How long did this take? Type in the chat box. Okay, so now Grok got started. Now I'm going to, are you okay if I type G in the chat box? Grok and type enter in the chat box. I want as many G's as possible. Just follow along. Don't do it with me right now. Type G if you're okay. And Grok is my most favorite because it's from Elon Musk. Yes, whom I believe is actually changing the world. So now I started Grok. So he needs a token. Let me get that token. Uh, yeah, the token has to be done on Grok. So I'm just finishing that. Okay, my device got authorized. So I'm done. Okay, so now I have Grok here on my terminal. Okay, so I got Grok here. One second. Okay, so there's some issue with Grok. I'll fix this later. Right now, you do this one. Okay, we can just do the terminal based output. So I'll just, not the terminal, the GUI based output. So on Grok, what I'll do is I'll paste the same learnings here, and I'll just do it right now. The terminal is not working for some reason. Okay, let's look at Grok's output right now. For Grok, you just do the GUI. Just the website is fine. So Grok came up with this right now, okay? So there's a little bit of difference. Format 12-week live, week by week, AI foundations, money mindset, prompt engineering mindset, AI content, AI research, build your first domination. How many of you are genuinely seeing Grok's output? It's a little similar to ChatGPT, freelance, etc., but not as powerful as Claude. Type G in the chat box if you're okay with this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my community, and here in the answers, I will keep a new post. Then Claude is done, and Claude, we had done Claude code and Grok on the website. I hadn't done it on the terminal. Okay, so you have 10 minutes, finish this task right now and submit it. So I'll pin this for you. I will unpin this. Okay, let me pin this one, unpin this. Okay, you have 10 minutes, finish this task right now. Okay, so your time starts now. I'm keeping the timer as 15 minutes. Who's ready to be first? Type F in the chat box. Who's ready to be first? And who's going to be doing it here? Type F in the chat box. You'll be first here. Please share prompt in Word doc. I'm not going to share a prompt in Word doc. You have to go to community learning and figure it out and get it. Neelam, everybody else is able to find. Why are you not able to find? It's literally there. How are others able to find? 4 people have done it. No. If others are able to do it and you're not able to do it, who's fast? Who's at wrong here, Baba? It's literally here. Can we not design curriculum on Grok? You can use Grok's website to design. Yeah. But my guess is Claude Code will be the best. Claude will be the best. You can even do Claude. So you have 14 minutes left. Who's going to be first? Type F in the chat box. You'll be first on the curriculum. Sorry, on the community. Type F in the chat box. I want everybody to type F in the chat box so they do it. Cloud Code needs subscription. Yeah, just pay the $20 trial or something, and then after 1 month you can maybe stop that. It's okay. No, Raki, what have you done? I'm confused. Have you done both the steps? Okay, so here are the steps once again. So the homework, design your 15-minute curriculum, both on Claude and on this one, Grok. So ideally, you should do it on the terminal so that your tech. Okay, object, get your 12-week curriculum design on Claude Code. And here is using Grok website. If you do Grok on the terminal, that's also better. Install Cloud Code. And you have to have a subscription. Install Grok. These are the 2 tasks right now. Submit on the community. And you have 11 minutes for this task. I'm not able to get to know how to make calculator in Cloud Code. Calculator you just make on Codex, it's okay. Don't need to do Cloud Code. Right now you do the this one. If you don't want to pay the Cloud Code subscription, just do it on your this one. Just do it on the website. Okay, I'm writing that step here. If you don't want to pay the subscription, do it on the website. That way you don't have to pay the subscription, okay? I'm giving you both options. I've given you here also. You want to make, oh, you paid, is it? So have you installed Cloud Code on terminal? Okay, first off, did you finish the curriculum design on both Cloud Code and Grok? Finish this task. First, in this time, finish this task and post it on the terminal. Then we'll discuss the community. Then we can do the other tasks. Ritesh, do you think AI tokens will actually be more expensive than humans? No, the cost of tokens will come down. And humans are not expensive. You can't purchase humans, no? Ritesh. Neelam, did you find it? Where are you? You've been very quiet today. YUCSM. What is your name? Like this one? The photography niche you're in, right? Chaya Kant Mohanty. I'm a career coach, LinkedIn branding expert, resume writer. You can't do so many things. Just do one. Do LinkedIn coach. No, that's good. Yuksim, where are you from? Which city are you from? Raki and so okay. So let's see the first submissions. Who's done it so far? So far, I have nobody yet. So hurry up and complete this. Oh, Debashish finished. Oh, you're from Nagaland. Okay, very nice. All right. So we have one submission. First person is Debashish, super fast action taker. Last 8 minutes, guys. Let's go. Yeah, Debashish, no problem. I don't understand what that means. I just need the curriculum board pasted codex curriculum. Very good. Okay, Rishi, you have to do Claude and you have to do Grok. If you're able to do, if you don't want to pay the subscription, you can do on the website itself. Yeah, and paste it on the community. Once you've done, paste it on the community of complete the homework. That's okay. You can. Oh yeah, that is a null character error. You have to post it on ChatGPT. You'll find out the error. How many of you finished this? 5 of you finished it. What's wrong? What happened? You guys are super fast. Okay, let's get Mithil. Mithil, today do we have your darshan? Or because I didn't do my Shiva Puja or Vishnu Puja, you're not, no camera on, or you're in office? Type M, Mithil, if you're ready. Guys, everybody type M for Mithil. Oh, you're ready with camera on. Type Y in the chat box if you're ready. Oh my God, really? With camera on. Let's get Mithil on. Yes, let's get you on. You're on. I made you a panelist. On the right side, small, there'll be a button, promote to panelist. Accept that request, and you can keep your camera on and get started. Shaili, be ready.
Hello, hi sir.
Hi, how are you, champion? Yes,
I'm good, sir. How are you?
all good, all good. Oh my God, nice haircut. Yes. Okay, you can share. I've given you analyst. Sorry.
Uh, Actually, I'm not able to share. I've joined via mobile.
No, you're on 2 devices, is it?
Yeah. So I am doing it on my personal desktop, so it doesn't have a webcam. So I joined through mobile.
Okay, no problem. So your personal desktop you can share, and this you can use for speaking, no?
Okay, yeah. Just a second.
No problem. I've given you analyst access for that one also. You're not in office, is it?
No, I came home.
Okay. Why? You bunked office today?
No, I had gone to office, just now came home.
Good, good. Yeah, yeah. Until this, don't quit your job until you hit 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs in this.
Sir.
Okay. I've given you panelist access on that. Yes. Okay. Accept that. And that on that you can share. Yes, let's get started.
So this was the
Okay. You did it on the browser. Okay, very good.
yeah. So this was my prompt.
Very good. Yeah, once again. No, one sec, let me read, Mama. So fast.
I'll open it in the
Nee, just wait, let me, can you make sure? Arun is laughing. Yeah. Building Python, machine learning. Okay, that's good. Yeah, no, prompt is important. The output looks very good. I know that. I want to see the prompt, what you have done. Guys, your input is most important, not the output. Okay, as long as beautiful as the output went. Make sure you give a succinct homework. Okay, I like this. It's very nice. Okay, go. So this is the thing. Are you interested in the side hustle?
yeah, actually yeah.
No, you are interested in the side hustle, but are you interested in teaching that to your students?
I am good a bit skeptic about it, but I've
No,
never
you can't teach that because see, your student will buy something you are. If you have a 70,000 job or a 1 lakh job, people will want that.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's say I teach cricket, they will expect me to know cricket. If I don't know
Correct.
football, right, I can't teach football. No, little bit of that, at least I have to know that.
Correct. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, your students will mimic you, your behavior. Is your behavior congruent? I know you have a great career, you're in cognizant, that's good. But I don't know if you have a side hustle. Do you have a side hustle?
No, not right now.
Yeah, you are building a side hustle. You are learning that from me, but you don't have. So cut off that with a side hustle. So this is the
Okay.
problem with copy pasting, guys. Guys, you have to use your human GPT. Are you clear about that? Okay, rest of it looks perfect. So make that tweak and Claude will give you the output. Did you do it on terminal?
Yeah, actually, I had closed it. I was trying to download Grok, so I downloaded it. So I was about to subscribe now.
Yeah, Grok is also $20 a month. But Claude, did you subscribe?
No, Claude, I have.
Okay, then this is fine. You're not subscribed, it's okay. You don't have to subscribe to all the things. Guys, don't subscribe to all the tools. You don't have to subscribe to all the tools. Okay? Type E in the chat box that you will be economical and judicious with money. Okay? For those of you who are going to be this one. Okay. And is it the first time you've worked on Claude to build your own brochure or curriculum?
No, actually, the last mission was the first time.
Last mission was first time. Okay. How
The
do you feel now?
yeah, it's actually very good since this is my second time, right? So it's a very uh, quick and effective way to do this.
Yeah, good. And your niche is good. Many people in India want a 50,000 rupee job. It's a massive market.
Yeah.
Okay. Many people in rural India and all want 50,000. Even 40,000 is a great salary. Okay. So you build towards that. And are you passionate about that?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, good. You just focus on that.
Agree.
That's it. Those are two different things. A person who wants to make money online wants freedom. He doesn't like a job anymore. A person who wants a
Correct.
job doesn't want to make money online. He just wants the job
Correct.
stability. They are very, very different avatars. Yes, and congratulations on being the vice president of the mentor group 1. I see you very,
Thank you,
very,
sir. Thank you so much.
yes, very, very active and supporting Ritesh. That's amazing. Everybody, if you're inspired by Mithil, type MPTY in the chat box, joining us from the beautiful city of Bangalore. Yes, perfect.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yes, good. He bunked office for doing this hackathon. I'm joking. I'm
Sure.
joking. He didn't bunk, but it's amazing. He's a fast action taker. He's done all of his. He's going to become $1 million coach. I'm sure of it. Okay, change role to attendee done. Type MPTY if you're inspired by Mithil, who has come in and he's finished the homework. Yes, and he's also the VP and he comes on time. Okay, let's get next person who has finished. Whoever has finished this can type E in the chat box. I'll get them on right now. I got 5 submissions. Oh my God. Again, we have, let's get on. Let's get on. Shaili submitted 330. Let's get Shaili. Let's get on Shaili, ma'am. Submitted 3 times. Demanding for yes, let's get you on. Yes.
I'm not able to share.
Oh my God, ready to share also. No camera shyness, nothing. Oh my God, is it possible? Hey, this must be AI. ये तो AI होगा. This is AI only. Ready with the right folder, right terminal. Oh my God. Okay, good. You did it on terminal?
Yeah, I did it on terminal
You did Claude
using
code on
Claude.
terminal.
Yeah.
No, I don't believe you. You must have come prepared. In
I
10
just
minutes, you
did
did
it.
this.
Yeah. So this is my prompt.
Yeah.
It took me some time to install Claude. I was having a bit of trouble, but I finally did it. So I've got Claude here.
What is the difference
Claude code
between
installed successfully.
Very good, very good, brilliant. What is the difference between Claude's output and regular codecs, ChatGPT?
Oh yeah, the output is very detailed
Quality, mama.
in Claude
Quality and
code.
quantity.
Much better quality. Yeah.
How so?
So it's more, I mean, like I said, it's more detailed. I mean, that's what I've found. It's not an overview. It is being able to pick up the nuances of my prompt
Wait a
and give
second,
me
one
a
second.
more.
I'm so sorry. The week one, it picked up release money blocks, no?
Yeah, I changed it now after your feedback.
Very good, very good, very good. Brilliant. That was very fast.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Hey, you
changed it
can't be
and I
this
also
good.
incorporated.
You can't be this
Sorry,
good.
I incorporated. Yeah, no, it's
No, no,
because
no. This
I
is,
get such good feedback.
really,
Okay.
this is,
So I
you must have
incorporated
gone to an
relationship.
IIT. You're joking. You must have gone to an
Yeah.
IIT.
No.
Okay. Yeah, this is good. Very
The
good.
relationship and weight, right? I incorporated that in week 7 and 8. But maybe I'll just look at the sequence once again. Somehow
No,
I asked it to
relationship, you
incorporate.
can do it week 3 itself. See, I've realized
Yeah,
one trick is money is the most important. People care about money over relationship over wealth, health. Health is the least priority.
yeah,
Okay,
correct.
paradoxically, it should be the other way around. But across the world, money is the first thing that they care about. Okay, that's the first thing. And relationship is number 2. The relationship I've seen because a spouse sees the husband every day or an in-law every day.
Yeah.
If you put that fast, they will think it's a fast result.
Hmm.
So, and they'll attribute that success to you.
Yeah, and I think because I'm also looking at corporate, right? So relationship, not only with the spouse, but also with your colleagues and your bosses. think
Boss is
that
the most
it's
important.
a good,
Colleagues are नहीं पड़ता. Only boss is important. Yeah.
yeah,
Put the boss
bosses,
ka
yeah,
thing in, put the boss ka thing in the money relationship only.
yeah, okay,
Yeah, that's enough. Week 1, week 2 only you focus on that and use AI to automate. How many times have you done gratitude Ho'oponopono with your boss? How many times are you doing morning and evening? Like make a small AI tracker on that, and then that's a very good idea.
okay.
And yeah, and in the relationships, the find out from your this one the sequence. Like yeah, one is the boss, then it can be husband or spouses. Then you do in-laws, because in-laws is where the biggest issue will be, not parents. And then you do kids. Kids you can do last. Kids mostly they'll be fine.
And this can be in the same week, right? I don't have to do this week wise. This can be all in the same week.
Yeah,
Or
you can iterate your hackathon based on 1-2 weeks iterations. The more you do with your students, live students,
okay,
15, 20 students, you'll get the feedback of what is a burning problem.
okay.
Okay, this is actually excellent. Are you guys able to see the quality? She's very prepared for this. Type MPTY in the chat box if you're actually very inspired by Shaili, who's super prepared for this and laser sharp. Yeah. And have you done Grok also, man?
No, I was installing Grok. I need to install Grok in terminal, or I can do it um, on the web itself. How do I do
Depends. Do
this?
you want to do you want to invest 20? It's good. One time you can invest. If not, just do it on the browser.
Okay. So I was trying to, but I'm getting a bit of a problem there, but I'll figure it out.
You'll
How to
figure it.
do
Oh
it.
my God, you're not asking me a question. Doubt bhi nahi pucha. You'll
I
figure.
but I know you're going to you're going to tell me anyways, do it on your own. So
Oh my
it's
God.
best I do it.
Questions, बिना questions पूछे results आ रहे हैं. Okay, very good. Was it the first time you worked cloud code on time?
Yeah, first time.
Again, you must really be lying. People would have thought I am paying you to tell this result. Okay, good. How
I
many of
wish.
you? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And type MPTY in the chat box if you are super inspired by Shaili, who's in Delhi, who's on a break. She used to manage over 2,000, 3,000 people in her contact center for other clients. Yes, and she's going to come back and become a awesome special coach and get the freedom that she wants and she deserves, which she easily do. Type MPTY in the chat box. Everybody type MPTY. Are you guys okay if we joke and keep it fun and fast? Type FF in the chat box. Okay, let's get the next person. Who else has finished it? Guys, I want you guys to do Claude. Claude is very important, okay? Meenakshi ma'am, have you finished? Okay, cool. Let's get you on. Get a quick share. Yes. Oh my God, women are fire this time. Yes. You can unmute. Let's go for it.
Yeah, let me share.
Yes.
But I've not tweaked the prompt yet, so it's Claude definitely has a much better result though.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, so get rid of the 3 lakhs a month. I think that you have to tweak. That's good. You have to shift the identity. Mission 1, you try to keep shifting the identity. Yeah. Yeah, rest of these look very nice. I thought you wanted to do office, like office ke few things
That's
like
what it's doing, right? That's exactly what it's doing.
yeah, but
It's
too
it's
much of
becoming your assistant in office, basically. You are creating
okay.
your own assistant for at office, basically.
Yeah, but office I thought office or Microsoft ecosystem meant like okay, doing reports, spreadsheets, being
Yes, I need to elaborate a little more on that
yeah.
because, like, for Excel, I need to elaborate a lot, but I like this automation and agents creating a small, that's where everybody wants to go tomorrow, right? Or
That's
today.
That's also a very good niche. You can teach automation also.
Yeah, but yeah, I will have to elaborate a little more on Excel.
Yeah, first one will be first hackathon will be like normal, so you can iterate it with based on how your audience is looking at you and this one. Okay, this is a great start. Yes, first time working on Cloud Code and Terminal.
Yes.
God,
So
so
I
this is
didn't have Claude Pro, so I just had to get the subscription. And
very good. And have you finished the grok?
Grok I see is coming out to be, yeah, this is just, again, I want to work on my, that's why I didn't paste it, because it was just, it would be a paste output, but I would rather put it properly, my
So
prompt.
no worry. Even if it's improper, you just do it, and then we'll move fast with that. You can iteratively make it better. All right. Cool. How do you feel working on Cloud Code?
Yeah, definitely. I didn't, for the markdown files, I did not buy Claude codes. I couldn't do anything further. Now that I have this, I think I can build further with the markdown files now.
Amazing. Amazing.
Thank
Awesome. Everybody hit MPTY for Meenakshi, ma'am. So now she's going to teach her daughter all of this also at Hopkins. Yes. And now, yes, and now at the library she's planning to go to, she can teach more of these as well. Yes. Let's hit MPTY for more power to Meenakshi Kasi. Yes, joining us from New Jersey. Perfect. Good. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. Anybody else who's finished and submitted? Oh my God, we have 6. Sai Karthik. Yes, Karthikeyan, let's get you on. Joining us from Sri Lanka. Very sincere. Joining in from the land of Vijay. Let's get you on. Karthikeyan, are you there? Yes, let's see. Yes, you can share. Karthikeyan. No sharing without video camera and audio on. Yes.
It's already shared. Oh, not shared.
No, you have to become more proficient with Zoom. Yes, perfect. Oh my God, you're in Hawaii. Oh, you're in the Sri Lankan beach and doing this, huh?
Not like that. Actually, the background is like that. Yeah. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm trying this Cloud Code. I have a paid version of Cloud Code, but
Very good.
that's I'm using it for documentation purpose. This is the first time I'm using this. So I plan to teach the AI product design.
AI product design, brilliant. Huh. What does that mean?
I mean, using AI, we can build supply chain. What are the things which required for a manufacturing industry process?
Very good. Nilesh, are you listening to this? This is good. Yeah, very good.
So this is my holistic design, but this is the final one, like
I love
quick
it.
reference. I can take it.
Very good. Yeah, brilliant.
Yes,
Yes.
really amazing.
Good. This is good. This is the first time you worked on Cloud Code on Terminal?
Yeah. This is the first time.
How do you feel?
Yeah, really. But it is saving my tokens. Usually when
It's
I
saving
use
your
UI,
tokens.
eating like anything. Even
Yeah.
for a small PDF file upload also, the total is tokens are getting
And
gone. Yeah.
yes, perfect. And you did the grok also?
No. The earlier one I tried, not Grok.
Got it. Okay. No, grok on the browser you did, like website.
Sorry?
No, Grok on the website. On the website, have you done?
No, I haven't touched the Grok. Still, I'm planning to do that after this.
Okay, done. Okay, cool.
Yeah, thank
Perfect.
you. Thank you.
Awesome. So anything else, guys, that you... Okay. Now I'm going to revoke the co-host permission. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Shraddha, have you done it? Arun, are you doing it or are you only laughing at people and smiling as much as... Guys, if you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. Okay? And sorry to put pressure on you, but unless you do the action, follow the steps, nothing is going to happen. How many of you want results? Type R in the chat box. Yes. Maharaj, have you done it? Okay. And meet the other members of the community using the chat and do it. Okay, cool. So last, okay, now we're finally going to make the video as well. Okay. Let's now do, so I'm going to use Claude Code to make a VSL or even the codex to start actually posting and scheduling on my LinkedIn. So done only with codex, no problem. Venkat, did you submit on the community? Type S if you have submitted on the community. Type S if you have submitted on the community. Yes. Okay, Venkat, let's get you on. Last share. Nilesh, did you submit? Let's get Venkat. Oh, Arun, you have submitted it. Okay, let's get you on then. Arun, let's get you on. On the bottom right or on your screen, you'll have an option to join as a panelist. Click yes. And Chaya Kant, you also be ready. I'm promoting you to panelist. You can also submit. I saw your response. Yes, Venkat, let's get you started. Yes, Arun. Amuta, you have been very silent, which is very dangerous. Storage device as code will be accepted. I don't know what that means, Nilesh. Okay, Chaya Kant, there'll be a button on the right side where I'll promote you to panelist. Yes, Venkat, let's get you on. Your camera is not on. Join from mobile, another device. So 2 devices you can keep, join and you can talk. Yes. Yes, Venkat. Yeah, you can share what you've done. You're not audible. It's okay. You can just show us what you've done by sharing the screen. Arun, get ready as well. Okay. Arun, are you ready? You can get your cameras on and you can get started. Venkat, you just fix your audio and other things and join on a mobile phone later, okay?
Hello. Hi, sir.
Yeah. Hi. Good. I love the way you're smiling. So that's good. Yes. Okay. So you can share, Venkat. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Arun, you can share what you've been doing.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Can you see this?
Yes. Arun, we need your video on. Oh my God. I love it. So much clarity. Arun, without video, I don't give any marks.
Yeah, I was not prepared actually.
You're never prepared. How many of you want $1 million but not being prepared? You'll never be prepared.
Yeah, you're able to see the screen, no?
Yes, we're able to see the screen. Very good. Okay,
Actually, this HTML I prepared.
very good. Okay, show me your terminal.
Terminal. Actually, this is again actually refreshed it, so I'm not able to show it now.
No, terminal. You have done this on terminal or on browser?
Yeah, this one is terminal only.
I don't know if I'm not able to see your terminal. Okay, no problem. Is this the first time you worked on terminal?
Yeah, actually, first time.
How do you feel?
First time I installed Codex and I did this.
Oh my God, amazing. Yes, how do you feel?
So actually, very thank you to you. Actually,
No
your enthusiasm putting me actually also. I am also my interest in building up day to day. This is for second class, and very much excited to learn from you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu, but right now I'm in Bhubaneswar.
You're in Bhubaneswar.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Awesome. Where are you working?
I'm working in a mining company. It's a
Okay.
mining private contracting company.
Mining
So I'm
private.
generating daily data analysis kind of. So actually, I used to last 1 week, no Power Automate. I do try to learn that, but I want to learn more in automation. In future, all the repeated jobs will be nullified. No? So I want to very much quickly into that.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Very good. Excellent. Amazing. Yes. Excellent. Good. And is this the first time you've done this? You're from a non-technical background. Mining means you are no tech.
No,
You've done this?
Yeah, I'm mechanical, studied mechanical. I have worked in all manufacturing steel, now presently in mining. So I wanted to know, basically, long time I've been wanted to be a data analyst. So I want to learn these two and my experience and, do side hustle or let's see how the future goes. But
Very
I'm, very much interested, hopeful that AI will be helpful for me.
Very good. Yeah. So mechanical is non-technical, non-IT. Technical means IT. Okay. So you are non-coder. So first time
Yeah,
you've
yeah.
done
Yeah, non-coding. Yeah,
first time you've done this and this is your second class.
second class, sir. Second class.
You're joking, you're lying. People usually take 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 100 coaches, and then they do so much tech.
Sir, can I say something, if you don't mind?
Yes.
I feel like I am attending a 2x class, 2x speed class.
Okay, good. Excellent.
So, I will catch to your speed more in couple of class after that.
You're all faster than me. Money loves speed. Speed is the only thing. Yes. Awesome.
Yeah.
How genuinely inspired by Arun, non-technical mechanical in mining in Bhubaneswar, and he has submitted this paid code. Next level, super inspiring. Every type MPTY
Thank
for
you, sir.
Arun, silently doing it. I love such members. And I think the automation in manufacturing is next level. It is going to be really, really game changing, more than even all of our type MPTY in the chat box. Okay, thanks, Arun. Let's get Venkat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's
Hello.
get you on. Yes, Venkat, you're there. We can see you.
Yes, sir. So this is my design, sir.
Yes, we can see it. Wow! Rural talent land. I love it. You are up for the rural mission. Brilliant. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yes, I love it. Yes. What's your background, sir?
Sir,
No,
I work in a diploma. I'm a
before your
lecturer,
back,
sir. I'm a lecturer, basically.
before the background,
Works
tell
in
how.
a government.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we can hear you. Go for it.
Sir, okay, sir. I work in a government college in Telangana.
Very nice. Where?
Yeah. And I teach for diploma students.
Oh, very nice.
And those people are very, and the students after completing diploma, they are going for B.Tech. So
Okay.
this tendency is not good, sir. They have to entrepreneur themselves after completing the B.Tech.
Got it. Okay. Very nice. Excellent.
So that is my motto, sir.
And what is the subject you're teaching in diploma?
Sir, my computer faculty, sir.
Computer science. Okay.
I teach Java, web designing,
Okay.
Python.
Okay. Very nice. So my request to you is, why don't you teach in Telugu AI?
Yes, sir, I'm planning that one.
But don't teach the students. Teach the professionals. Teach working professionals Telugu.
Okay.
Students will not pay you the L2 and L3. Level 2, level 3 will be very difficult, or at least I have not cracked that. Okay, are you open to
Sir, if
that?
the amount is less only, it is okay, sir. It is okay, sir.
No, amount is less is
I
fine.
don't expect. No, sir.
So what I'm saying is, for 5,000, your level 1 5,000, lot of people will effortlessly pay. But for 5,000, you will not make much profit. Okay, your level 1 5,000, if you have 15, let's say you have 20 students, so you make 80,000 rupees. But your level 3 is where the real profit in the game is. Let's say level 3, 10% of these students convert, which is 2 students. Okay, you get 4 lakhs. So the total you will make is 4.8 lakhs, which is minus the 30% cost of pixletests, right? So, but level 3 payments, students will not make that much, but professionals will pay you. So this one will be 12 weeks,
Okay.
and you do a bit of one-to-ones and all of that in this. Do one-to-one, one-to-many, a little bit more coaching you do, you'll be fine. Okay, this can become a nice recurring income. Okay, focus on professionals. Professionals in Telugu, Andhra Pradesh, many are earning 50,000 rupees a month. Many are earning 60,000 rupees a month, right? Up to 1 lakh, 2 lakhs also, they'll be earning. Right? These all people need AI. How many of you agree everybody needs AI? Type AI in the chat box. Okay, and okay, but this will be actually useful for you. Okay, you got clarity? Yes. Awesome.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are non-technical. I mean, in the sense you are teaching as a faculty. Is it the first time you have done on Cloud Code?
Yes.
Wow, amazing.
No, sir. I regularly work on it, sir.
Oh, you're regularly working Cloud Code. Grok you have done?
No, sir. No.
So why don't you do the Grok? At least
No,
do.
sir.
Okay. And did you do your
Okay. ID, yes, sir.
did you do your 3-day exercise?
3 years. Okay, sir. I completed day 2, sir. Day 1 and day 2.
Okay. No. You have to make the 3-day exercise for your students. The calculator and that before that we had done that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're semi-technical. Okay, good.
I will try. I will try for the students.
Perfect. All right. Everybody hit MPTY. If you're inspired by Venkat, who is actually joining in as a lecturer from Telangana, type MPTY in the chat box. And his daughter is also learning and teaching. Yes. Daughter or son. Yes, man. Daughter, I guess. Yes.
That is it. Thank you, sir.
Awesome. Cool. So the opportunity is huge in digital coaching. Okay. Now let's take one more last person and we're done. More or less we're done. Amuda, late but latest. Let's get Amuda, ma'am. Today, I don't know if she'll give us darshan or no. I already did my Ashtalakshmi and Mahalakshmi pujas. So let's get on. Amuta. Amuta, are you there? Amuta, on the bottom right, you'll find the Panelist, yes. Sai Durga, today you seem very quiet. What happened? Durga Sri, she left. Okay. Wrong. Let's get Amita ma'am. Yeah, Amita, are you there? Let's get you to share quickly. I saw your submission. Amita, you have to turn on your this one, laptop and camera, or join from another device. Okay, are you there? Going once, going twice. Awesome. Okay, so I think maybe she's fixing her this. She'll come. Okay, so for Wednesday, how many of you are ready to learn what is there on Wednesday and you need a sneak peek? Type S in the chat box if you need a sneak peek. Sorry, Amita, I put you back as the panelist. When you're ready, type R, Amita, and I can try and get you on, okay? How many of you are ready with a sneak peek of what's going to happen on Wednesday? Yes, type S. So on Wednesday, I'm going to cover one of my most favorite topics ever. Ever there. Does anybody know what it is? I'm going to be covering on using. So this is what is going to happen on Wednesday. So be there on time, ahead of time. How to use AI to video is the most important thing. So we have done curriculum design. Video is the most important thing by and large, or text. And on social media, how to put yourself out there using AI and maybe even automate the process. Because the more videos you put out there, the more your brand or your piece can keep going on, and you can get more and more popular. So type 1 in the chat box if you're going to make it 100% on Wednesday. Okay, on time, ahead of time, with your cameras and everything on, because I can get you on. Those exercises are going to be very, very lethal. And on YouTube, I have 14,000 people. We had probably made on YouTube also on the organic posting. We have made around not much money actually, about I think about 3 to 4 lakhs only. But the same video scripts using ads is what we made the $550,000. And you have all of my knowledge, like how I made AI videos, how I make AI scripts, generating AI scripts, generating AI videos. So be there on time, ahead of time. And I posted more than 630 videos in the last 5 years. So how many of you would like all of that in less than 2 hours of learning? Type 2 in the chat box. So type 2 in the chat box if you'll be there on time, ahead of time. If you make a video every day, and now it's more easier with making with just AI, you can actually skyrocket your digital coaching income. And the final most important thing, type G. If you're enrolling into gold, I have changed the gold structure. You're going to get mentorship. Ask me why. Type G in the chat box. You'll have a no-brainer. Okay, type G in the chat box. I want everybody to type G for gold, because you're going to manifest it and do it. Because for all the gold people, I am now doing what? Straight away commissions. So all of you have now been assigned into mentor groups. If you are not assigned to a mentor group, write an email to me. Okay, they are meeting once a week on weekends right now, and every mentor gets straight away an incentive, and I'm keeping it as transparent as possible for upgrades into gold, because I know that gold will get you the result. Unless you invest money, you're not going to happen. Don't waste time on that. Okay, I know 3588 was just a curtain riser as a teaser or a trailer, but unless you push yourself, you're not going to get. Every gold member gets 10 to 15 of our own members. So as you're building your community on the side, you can practice with pixel tests. These are live people, many of whom have already paid us serious money, right? And some are active, some are not active. How many of you would like extra ice cream money? Type I in the chat box. You'll get it as part of the gold group straight away. I've never done this before, right? So you can learn and earn and build your community. right? So your job is protected and you can do the practice repetitions with gold. And gold is very serious because many members have already invested 40,000. Some have invested 15,000, some have invested. So you can actually learn on the pixel test leads, and so you can practice your teaching as well. Okay. So I'll see you on Wednesday. I'll be unveiling this, and ask me why. I want everybody type G in the chat box. Type G in the chat box. Why it's super exciting. Everybody needs to type G. Ganesh, Amuta, Arun, Tarun, Karthikeyan, Nilesh, even the existing gold members. Maharaj, Meenakshi, Mithil, Neelam, Pramila, Rakesh, Rakhi, Rishi, Satish, Shaili. Shraddha, you are a gold member. You wanted to get the mentorship, right? Taran, Venkat. Type G in the chat box. Why is gold super special? Why is gold super special? Does anybody know what is the significance on Wednesday? Type in the chat box. Don't know, sir. Why, sir? Meenakshi ma'am, why is this Wednesday going to be super special? Anybody? So you can just take 30 seconds and type. Special care. Shraddha, gold member. Okay. Why is this? What is the significance of this Wednesday? Moharram festival special. Yes. Okay, good. Moharram. Anybody else? Whoever gets this right, I'll give you 50% off scholarship if you get this right. Pixel test founded date. All right. Some of the members who know have gotten it already right. Okay. So why? You have to get it exactly right. What is it? Okay. So this Wednesday is not actually, technically it's okay. This Wednesday is going to be the last time. So first thing, I've already shown you this. So first off, we have hit 5,216 members. So we crossed the 5,000 threshold. Type 5 in the chat box if you are genuinely very happy with that. So on the platform live, and I only started building this platform in February. That's number one. And each of you is going to be building for your own students. Okay. Second off, yes, that is the most important. I said community first. Second off, it's going to be my what Neeta thinks is very special for me. Yes, 150% affirmation, please. Yes. Yes. Okay. It's this Thursday is going to be my 40th birthday. Yes, don't let my white hair and dimples fool you. Okay, that is the last time gold is going to be offered at this age, at this price point. After that, I am dead serious. The price point I'm telling you today, you cannot pay for it. It is 1.65 is the price. So normally it was 2.95. Yes, I made it. Okay. Normally it was 2.95. After this Wednesday, India time midnight, I will be changing it to 2 lakhs plus tax. There is no exception to that. Okay. On the midnight. So many of you got it early, right? So take advantage of that offer. I am dead serious about that. Right. And gold is very fun because there are mentor groups, etc. And all the others. Yes, thank you so much, Arun. All the others, make sure that you, so on Wednesday, which is in 2 days, get a deposit of 20,000 and come in, make a finish the transaction, come in. Today you can't. Gold is on a wait list. That's the last time I am going to be offering it at that price of the 1.65 lakh all inclusive tax. After that, it will become 2.36, which is after the tax. Okay. Is that fair? That'll be the final birthday offer. Today you can't do it, but on that day you'll be getting it. Okay. So come prepared, type G in the chat box, and even not, you'll be super fun and awesome. Yes. Type G in the chat box. Yes. Yes. Okay. Gold will be super special because I'm going at full force. Like somebody said, double the speed and be a part of the community. See, 90% is just being a part of the community. Okay. And the exact steps I have used to get the 550,000 or more, at least even 50,000 a month, you guys are going to get it at full force. And I want to give the Crorepati award to each and every one of you. Okay. So type 1 CR if that is an aim, an aspiration that you have. Okay. And we are joined at the hip. This is not some transactional thing. You will be listed and launched as a pixel test coach. What that means is I am married to you. We are married to each other. So don't do any disrepute things. Okay. Are you guys okay if we are connected for lifelong? Type 1 CR in the chat box. On Wednesday, get in the deposit and come in. After the learning, I'll be showing you the VSLs and all. You can finish the transaction and come in for US and this one. Is everybody okay with that? And you can hustle and get the finances. I know you'll finish the logistics later. Yes. Okay. All righty. Thank you so much for your time. Now let me go have coffee and feel good or bad about why I'm turning 40. So I don't, somebody can help me on that. Whether I should feel good or this it. Okay, jokes apart, I'm really grateful because you guys are the energy and 5,100 is something even I never dreamt of. But like Bhagavatam, right? We're here to serve you and you guys are the most important. Thank you so much. Bye.